Video inspection of a 2012 DMG Mori Dura Vertical 1035 Eco, which is the same as a DMC 1035 Vertical Eco in a 2013 mode, just a year difference. There are two machines identical to each other with the controller showing 10,070 hours since new at this company. It is a prototype shop, and this machine obviously has download, thumb drive, SD card drive, USB.
Nothing else.
Nothing in there. Okay, let's go. We're going to move this. The door interlock is on, so we're going to run this in XYZ. The table runs in X, and we're about 2 feet away. And then the Y will happen on the spindle. Allows this machine to be very compact. And then the Z axis happening here. And okay, we're going to do a tool change a couple times, and then we're going to go in and show you the RPMs. This machine does have high pressure coolant, chip conveyor, oil skimmer, fourth axis.
It's a DDRT.
It's a DDRT. That's a Mori fourth axis. Okay, and we're going to show you the RPMs, tool changes. Okay, we're going to call out the RPMs as we run it.
5,000.
5,000 RPM coming up.
Oh man, I didn't put a tool back in there.
Okay, internal. Put a tool in, and then I'm going to run it at 5,000. There's 5,000 RPM, super quiet. 10,000 RPM. You can hear that, it's very nice, quiet hum.
12.
And this is at 12,000 RPM. And this does have coolant through the spindle. Coolant through the spindle. And there's the coolant through the spindle. Okay, thank you very much. Can you show me the fourth axis?
It's in the back.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, we can go back there.
Yeah, I'm going to go back in the back and